1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Arlington, Texas, for $15,000. Powered by a 289 V8 engine with an automatic green dot transmission. Recent upgrades include new front tires, new shocks, tie rods, radiator, water pump, spark plugs, and electronic ignition conversion. The brakes, gas tank, and mufflers have also been replaced. All chrome trim is new, but the interior needs work. Seats need reupholstering, and a new headliner is included but not installed. No air conditioning. The seller is firm on the price, but may consider a trade for the right offer. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1966) Ford Mustang, listed in Nevada, Texas, for $20,000. Powered by a 289 small block Ford engine with a mild cam upgrade for extra performance. It has a rebuilt 4-speed top-loader manual transmission and a 9-inch quick performance rear end. Suspension has been upgraded with Cobra automotive components and reinforced torque boxes for added strength. New front disc brakes and rear drum brakes. The interior is completely redone, and while not a show car, it looks good and drives great, handles well, and is a fun ride. Seller is only accepting cash, no trades. (1968) Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Lindsay, Oklahoma, for $20,000 or best offer. Equipped with a 302 cubic inch V8 engine and a rebuilt Holley 650 double-pumper carburetor for better fuel delivery. It has an automatic transmission and a new radiator with electric fans to keep it cool. Front disc brakes and rear drum brakes provide solid stopping power. The interior is very clean but needs a new headliner. The body has a few small dents and scratches but no major rust or damage. Runs great, doesn't burn oil, and has nearly new tires. No air conditioning, but the heater core is included. (1972) Ford Maverick Grabber, listed in Peyton, Colorado, for $20,000. This original V8 model has a 302 cubic inch engine with a mild cam, an Edelbrock 600 carburetor, and a modern ignition system. The automatic transmission features a shift kit and a torque converter for better acceleration. Upgraded front disc brakes, rebuilt suspension, and air shocks improve handling. The body and interior are in excellent shape with painted graphics instead of decals. Manual brakes and steering require some effort. Comes with an aftermarket stereo with Bluetooth. (1968) Ford Galaxy 500 Fastback, listed in Dallas, Texas, for $5,000. This is a project car that needs some work but has great potential. It's powered by a 390 V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor, rebuilt by the previous owner. The brakes were recently redone, and the car is currently in primer, ready for paint. Some repairs are needed, including turn signals, the dashboard, and front seat upholstery. The seller has a Texas title in hand and is selling the car as is with no trades. (1964) Ford Thunderbird Coupe, listed in Odin, Illinois, for $8,000. This classic Thunderbird is not in perfect condition but still a great project. It has a leak in the exhaust system, though new mufflers have been installed. The accelerator pump in the carburetor has been replaced, but the air conditioning isn't working. The driver's side power window operates fine, but other windows need attention as their motors run without moving the glass. The car has been stored for some time, with fuel drained and fuel lines cleaned. It shows wear and tear, but could be a rewarding restoration for the right buyer. (1973) Ford Thunderbird Coupe, listed in Champaign, Illinois, for $6,500. This classic Thunderbird is powered by a 429 big block V8 engine and has only 52,190 miles. It runs great and is ready to be driven or restored further. The interior is in excellent condition with no tears, and it has power seats and windows. The original wood-grain steering wheel and hardtop are also in great shape. While there's light rust on the fenders, the car still has its original paint and comes with the owner's manual. The seller has receipts for all repairs made and offers a clean title. No trades. 1950 Chrysler DeSoto, listed in Tucson, Arizona, for $7,500 or best offer. This classic two-door coupe features a straight-six engine with a smooth hydromatic automatic transmission. The car has low mileage at 30,955 miles and a clean title. The original red paint still holds up well, and the brown upholstery adds to its vintage charm. The car is in good overall condition with little to no rust, but needs some TLC. The brakes need attention, and the tires may soon require replacement. (1972) Plymouth Duster, listed in Vincennes, Indiana for $5,900. This is a project car with a non-running 318 V8 engine, which turns freely but is missing parts. The car has a cool patina with scuffs, scratches, and dings, and its original black paint. It's got new trunk pans, lower rear quarters, and solid frame rails. The car also features bucket seats, a rear seat in like-new condition, and factory rally wheels with almost new tires. The interior needs carpet, and it's an AC car with the system intact. It comes with a clear title, but the car is missing the transmission. The seller is open to trades. (1962) Chevrolet Bel Air, listed in Caledonia, Wisconsin for $9,900 or best offer. This classic car features a rebuilt 2,000-mile 235 inline-six engine and an automatic transmission. It has been upgraded with front disc brakes for better stopping power, and it's equipped with brand new white wall tires for that vintage look. The suspension is lowered for a sportier appearance, and it has a newer radiator. The solid floors and trunk indicate no rust or damage, and the dashboard is fully functional. The car runs great, even on the freeway, making it a solid choice for cruising.